What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is finally the day where I reveal the new car on the YouTube channel and on Instagram. This car is the C43 replacement, and I'm just beyond happy to start making content with this car. Throughout the ownership of this car, I'm going to be comparing it to the C43. Yes, this car is technically better, but there's a lot of things that I can still compare. But in today's video, it's just going to be the reveal and then just like some future plans with the car. But without further ado, please welcome the C43 replacement. It is the 2019 Mercedes-AMG GTs. Alright, there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little cinematic and reveal video. I got like an hour worth of footage, but it's gonna be like 20 seconds or maybe even less in the video. I can't wait to start making a bunch of content with this car. Currently the car is still in the break-in period, so I think my next video is gonna be how to break in your V8 AMG. But anyway, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram, link below if you don't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.